Don't want to get it reported.
Correct. And that's the leverage. They use the ignorance of fear. Like they use fear, false evidence appearing real. They use fear of, oh, we're going to put it on the report. And it strong arms a lot of people into doing things that you know they don't want to do. No, I'm not here saying that if you go out and get some stuff, you shouldn't pay for what you got. But what I'm saying is when it comes to your consumer report and when you comprehend how it works and the definitions, you, the consumer, controls what gets reported. It is not the other way around. Gotcha. We got indoctrinated to think that a financial institution can report anything. And I can prove what I'm saying right now. So let me hear y'all say prove it. And I'll prove that a financial institution has no legal right without disclosing certain things to the consumer to have anything reported. And if the consumer says, no, I don't want it reported, they have to obey by it.